What you need to mathematics is the language of the universe, then linear relationships are its most fundamental sentences. They're the starting point for almost everything, from a simple taxi fare calculation to the complex algorithms that model our economies. So, how do we speak this language fluently? We start by understanding the three ways to write a linear equation. Think of them as different tools for different jobs. The most familiar is the gradient-intercept form, y equals mx plus c. It's perfect for a quick sketch, instantly telling you the slope, m, and where the line crosses the vertical axis, c. Then there's the point gradient form, the builder's tool. You use this to construct the equation of a line when you only know its gradient and a single point it passes through. And finally, there's the general form, ax plus by plus c equals 0. This is the tidy, formal way to present your final answer. Being able to switch between these forms is a critical skill. Now, let's talk about how lines interact. The gradient controls everything. If two lines are parallel, they never meet, which means they must have the exact same gradient. It's that simple. If they are perpendicular, they intersect at a perfect 90-degree angle. Here, the rule is just as elegant. Their gradients are negative reciprocals. If one line has a slope of 5, the perpendicular one has a slope of -1/5. And what about finding the exact point where two lines cross? This is where we solve a system of simultaneous equations. Geometrically, that solution is the single point of intersection. We can use substitution, which is great when one variable is already isolated. Or we can use elimination, lining up the equations and adding or subtracting them to make one variable vanish. Mastering these straight lines, their forms, their rules, their intersections, is the absolute prerequisite for tackling the complex curves that truly shape our world.